Hi, I'm Julius from Sistema Solutions, and today I'll be demonstrating how to get more info about customer ledger entries when posting. When customers have questions about their orders, the Your Reference field on the customer documents can help you answer them quickly. References now flow through the sales process, so salespeople or customer service agents can quickly and easily get an overview of all documents and transactions that are related to the customer's request. Through personalization, you can view or add the Your Reference field on the following pages: General Journal, Customer Ledger Entries, Apply Customer Entries, Customer Ledger Entries, and the Standard Statement Report. To access this feature, simply go to one of the pages mentioned earlier. For example, Customer Ledger Entries. Click the gear button for settings on the top right. Click Personalize. Click the Add Field button at the top of the page and search Your Reference. Once found, simply drag it to the position of your choice and click Done. Now, the Your Reference field will be there every time you open the page, like so. We hope that the use of the Your Reference field aids in reviewing customers' documents to give an overview of their request, in turn, making the process smoother and faster. Thank you.